I know I ruined it with the thumbnail. We're not grilling tonight. We'll talk about that in a couple weeks. Thing is awesome anyways. Couple weeks.
Stay tuned for that.
Stay tuned. I'm welcoming myself back to the channel, seeing Chris did not.
Yeah, Jeff, welcome back. It's about time.
I'm back. Nate, come on in.
We got a special
guest here. Nate's back. Yeah.
Big Dave is in the house
Big
today.
Dave is in the house. And we are going to put the food chain, the national chicken food chains to task.
Chicken.
And we're just gonna do a taste test. Like, we wanted to keep it simple this week because I'm just coming back. You know, it's
not ready to cook just yet.
It's not just ready. We're getting there. So we're just gonna actually compare what everybody, nationwide can get their hands on and see what we think is the best chicken sandwich. Because that's the craze.
Absolutely. So we're gonna have some fun tonight. No cooking. We're gonna eat. Test.
Like, subscribe, comment. See if you can guess what this is.
Big Dave is little Dave now. He's lost a lot of weight.
Yeah.
A lot of weight lost over there on that side of the camera.
Hello to Griddle Guy Nation.
Yeah.
All right. We'll see you inside. Food is done.
I'm gonna keep this camera right on that beautiful grill right there. Look at that. You guys are gonna have to wait for that. Get out of here.
So first way that we're gonna rank these, I don't know if you guys noticed, but when you look at the menu picture and then you get the actual product, not always the same.
Never the same. Tell me one time it was.
Burger King, Chris mentioned, was getting sued. Burger King getting sued because their Whopper doesn't look like the Whopper in real life. All right, so first up, Raising Cane's. Everybody raves about this place. We just got one. They're all about the same price. So we got Raising Cane's, we got Popeyes, we got KFC, and we got Chick-fil-A, the infamous Chick-fil-A.
What kind of sandwich did you order? Just a regular?
I got their standard classic sandwich in each of them.
Which includes what, like a tomato lettuce or
yeah, so
mayonnaise or sauce?
They're all a little different. So that looks good.
Let me take a look at that. Let me get in there, Jeff.
So I gotta give them
Does it look
props.
like the picture?
So this is Raising Cane's.
Yeah, kind of.
That actually doesn't look too bad.
All right, so this place is brand new opening, by the way. What, a month ago?
We just got one locally.
Like 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago, okay.
Yeah, all right, so that's not bad. And it's got the Raising Cane sauce.
Already on it?
Already on it. Looks like we got just lettuce and sauce.
Okay.
All right, so let's sort of put that.
So theirs is different because they actually used 3 chicken tenders on theirs, whereas I think the rest all have an actual chicken patty, right?
So they use, yeah.
That's a good point. It does look like just chicken fingers.
Yes.
Chicken fingers on it.
Their fries.
Could be cooked a little more.
Could be cooked a little bit more.
Or a lot more.
Could be.
And they're as white as the plate.
Could be seasoned a little bit more.
All right, Dave's
I'm
out.
not gonna get it.
Wait, are those fries touching that chicken sandwich? Dave's out.
Look at those plates that have the dividers in
Yeah,
them.
right.
So that is Raising Cane's.
There we go.
Next up, this one looked the best on the menu. Hopefully I'm not disappointed.
The picture, so they do a good job of advertising.
Picture looks like a really good chicken sandwich. And this is Kentucky Fried Chicken.
The Colonel.
The Colonel.
The OG.
We did that once. We did that,
All right.
the breading, didn't we, Jeff?
We did.
Oh.
We did. I'm a big fan of KFC. So they got a pickle,
Nothing.
Some sort of...
That's a...
mayo.
No, it looked like mustard almost.
I think it's just mayo from being. All right. So the breading on their chicken looks
Crispy.
crispy, KFC-like. Doesn't look like the picture, but I'll let you guys decide. It's pretty close.
Pretty close. Pretty
There's nothing on it, basically.
No tomato, lettuce, sauce, nothing.
It's just
Cheese?
Just
mayonnaise.
a pickle, he said, right? Didn't you say pickle?
Just a mayonnaise and a pickle.
Mayonnaise and a pickle.
Actually, a lot of places do it that way.
Yeah. So, you got that. Ooh, their fries look better though. And these are all about $11.50, $12. All right, so we got KFC fries. Look a little more seasoned.
You get like maybe half a cup of fries there versus that looks like a good full cup and a half, 2 cups of fries.
You can't really judge them by that because I picked these up, so I
Oh, you were eating them on the way? Oh, all right.
I'm not saying that for sure. I'm just saying.
All right, Jim.
Put this here, KFC.
We won't use that to judge.
Duncan, shut up.
Why? Why are you giving Duncan a hard time? So Raising Cane's has a sauce. KFC doesn't have anything special for sauce.
No sauce KFC.
This is...
But the fries.
Popeyes.
This is
Fries
Popeye.
must be really good because they're
Ooh.
missing a lot.
Popeyes looks like... I didn't go into Popeyes because that was the most traffic. Popeyes fries look pretty good.
You mean like the most drive-through traffic?
Most street traffic.
Really?
Again, doesn't quite look like the
Pickle and mayonnaise.
menu, but similar to KFC.
Oh, that one looks tiny. Did you get a junior or a kid's one?
They don't have...
Is that like a kid's one?
Well, this... They at least gave you enough mayo, which...
Yeah. So mayo and pickle. Yep.
Mayo and pickle.
Yeah,
But the breading looks...
don't cut me a piece of that. I'm not going to try that one.
You don't have a choice.
You can't judge already.
Can't judge, yeah. I actually think this one looks pretty good. And kinda happy with the look of the fries.
You sure you didn't eat all those too?
I didn't try these yet, because I guess this was...
That's where all the traffic was. Oh yeah, I like those
Actually,
kind of fries.
Kind of similar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like those.
Well, they say Cajuns. Like maybe
So
they have
these
some sort
are,
of spice on them.
Yeah, even more
The
seasoned.
Cajun that Chris didn't
Hey,
get
don't
today.
give your opinion yet. We gotta...
That's right.
They do have a little Cajun spice on them.
All right. There is the not open on Sunday.
Oh, wait a minute, Jeff. There is a sauce in here.
Oh, Popeyes,
Wait,
they're not really known for any
Bayou
sauce.
Buffalo?
Bayou Buffalo. I couldn't resist. And what's nice about Popeyes is they didn't charge me 50 cents for that sauce.
They just gave it to you?
like Raising Cane's did. And they asked me, how many do I want?
Wow, and you only said one? What's wrong with you?
No, there's a second
two.
one.
There we go. We got two.
It's a
Nice
sore,
job, Dave.
It's a sore subject when anyways, 50 cents per piece for their sauces. Let's just, and then we get the famous
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A. So my kids, this is,
Wow.
now,
Huge.
I've had Chick-fil-A a lot. I've never gotten a sandwich that looked this good.
Me neither.
Or a piece of chicken that big.
And actually, every time we
know what?
get it, I tell my son, why do we go here?
They must have known.
I
you were
don't like
filming.
it as much because it's usually...
All right.
They put tomato on there? I didn't know.
Yeah,
they
they
put
did.
tomatoes.
Tomato, lettuce, mayo on that or no?
Jeez, so this is dry.
Okay, so there's no mayonnaise or
It
anything.
actually, this isn't normal in my experience that you
Right.
get a nice big patty like that. But anyways, they're known for their Chick-fil-A sauce.
Unbelievable stuff.
So that is good stuff. So we got the Raising Cane sauce, which they're known for. We got the Chick-fil-A sauce, which they're known for. Popeyes and KFC, they don't really have much. But anyways, so this. And one thing I can tell you is that Chick-fil-A
Yeah.
has a decent
Waffle
fries,
yeah.
but they're not well seasoned. But we'll get to that in a little bit.
I asked them to do them well done once, and they said they couldn't.
I do like those waffle fries. I think those are delicious.
Our local market carries
Yeah.
a Chick-fil-A sauce now.
I bought it today.
Me too.
I think we have some in the fridge. I can open up
It's
the
like
fridge if you want.
6-ounce bottle of it.
Yeah, it's a big white bottle.
We got the sauces.
We got Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A does not.
good.
They did not charge me for their sauce.
There we go.
So we got Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A.
We got Popeyes. They did not charge me for their sauce.
Nice.
We got Kentucky Fried Chicken. They didn't have any sauce.
The Colonel.
They had, this is like a combination Taco Bell, KFC, so they
Yeah,
had a
well,
lot of hot
combo.
sauces. But anyways, and then we got Raising Cane's, which is our newest local, probably the most expensive too. I mean,
Right.
within $1 or $2, we'll see. We'll see.
Can't put a price on quality, Jeff.
I can. I definitely can. And you better believe Nate can. Nate definitely puts a price on quality.
Oh, absolutely.
We're gonna sit down. We're gonna have a few pieces of sandwich and see what we think.
All right.
And if you haven't yet, like, subscribe. If there's anything else you want us to try, that's
Let us know your favorite before we even taste it. Right in the comments.
put your favorites down below, and
Yep.
yeah, we'll see what happens.
All right. Can I put this down now? Yeah. Raising Cane's. I want to put a little on that.
We're definitely not gonna mess this up.
Definitely not.
So we have Raising Cane's, KFC, Popeyes, Chick-fil-A.
Raising Cane is first. That's what we're all going to
Yep.
try.
We can do that.
Yeah.
Kind of just take it in a little bit, savor it. Raising Cane's is the only one. Well, I mean, Chick-fil-A is kind of known for their sauce, but their Raising Cane sauce is what everybody talks about. Even though they
put
charge you
tomato-
extra
just
for it.
have just the lettuce and the chicken on this one, right?
Just the lettuce and the chicken. And it's a chicken finger. So,
Well, this is what I kind of like about this one. It's a chicken finger.
Yeah, but would you rather have it with the bread or would you rather have it without it?
You're right. If I'm having chicken tenders, do I need the bread?
Right.
so if you get chicken tenders there, they give you a piece of bread with it. Toasted
Oh,
bread.
Texas toast.
Texas
Okay.
toast.
Pretty good. Good chicken finger.
So it's not a bad
Sauce is okay.
Well, I like the sauce.
savory. It's like an Old Bay, and they add a little Old Bay to it. It's the seasoning I'm getting.
Yeah.
More of a savory than a sweet.
But I'd be happy without the bread on that one because it does taste like a chicken finger to me.
And
Nothing to write home
so
about.
our next one is KFC, and there's no sauce on this one, right? I mean, there's no sauce that came with this one. But they did put
Mayo.
Mayo and is it just mayo, no pickle or anything? Just
I think it had one pickle. Yeah, so it's got mayo and a pickle.
Okay.
To me, this was one of the better looking ones. It's a nice.
The chicken looks perfect.
Yeah, it looks like a potato roll maybe, but I'm not sure.
Much crunchier than the other one.
Well, you got the KFC 12 herbs and spices too, so.
12, I think it's, yeah, this is it 12?
13, I think.
13.
I thought it was like 15.
You got to include
Definitely.
MSG.
Jeff made a big batch of it in one of our older videos. He made so much flour. It all goes in the flour, right?
I still have it, yeah. I still have it.
That's what I was saying.
Made extra.
And you took it camping already,
Oh, yeah.
right?
So this is the next one. I gotta put some of the,
That KFC was good.
it was. I mean, they must have
Crunchy.
sauce there. Maybe you just have to ask for it.
They have sauces, just nothing that they're known for.
I like that
There's
one.
not one particular one for this
Right.
sandwich.
Right. So this is Popeyes.
And that pickle was good too, by the way.
Popeyes, you put the Popeye sauce on it.
Same thing, Popeyes didn't have a sauce that they were really known for, but this one I picked just because it looked good.
This
Buffalo
is
Bayou.
Popeyes. The bread is really soft.
Really soft.
Yeah.
Still a,
Well, they do put
I like
mayo.
the color of the sauce.
still a good looking piece of chicken though.
Crunchy pickle on there.
So this is the first one that the breading comes through, flavor-wise.
I tasted the mayo and the pickle and the sauce. The bread is very soft, very, very dense.
Yeah. That's why I almost think it's a potato roll, but
I think you might be right, David. I don't know if it is, but it was okay. That wasn't bad. I thought it was gonna be worse.
I get. He was against Popeyes from the
Yeah,
get.
I'm
They told me
totally
he had-
against them.
I honestly am getting the most flavor out of the Popeyes so far.
well, there's a
The breading.
breading. The
All
bread.
right. So now we get the Chick-fil-A, which
And the sauce.
and the sauce.
And the piece of lettuce and a little bit of tomato.
They're the only one with tomato, right?
I think they're
I think the only ones are cheese too, right?
they're known for pretty
Yes,
much
you're right.
using just peanut oil.
So they do have the most on their sandwich. So they have cheese, tomato, and lettuce.
Well, they also have a plain one. This one just seemed like it was the
Oh, so it's like a deluxe.
yeah.
It's the crunchiest.
The plain one had no dressing, no nothing. It was just a. So I figured this is price-wise and comparatively speaking, closest.
All right, let me say something.
No, don't. Let it sink in a little bit first.
It's sinking. Most impressive for me, and I hate saying this because we've had it 1,000 times and every time it hasn't been good.
Okay.
It's the Chick-fil-A. That was a very good Chick-fil-A sandwich. Crunchy, tasty, had the right amount of everything. Cheese on it. I think the cheese helps on it, to be honest with you, but that was good. The lettuce was perfect, the tomato was perfect, and I have had it 12 times, at least. My son and daughter love Chick-fil-A. And I've always been like, it's overpriced and it's not that good. That one was good, that one bite.
We weren't looking for the recap yet.
Nice. We
Well, you
tried all
got, you
four.
got it for me.
What's up next, Jeff?
We've been snacking on the fries. I've kind of got my opinion of them.
I have mine already. Yeah.
I actually haven't tried one fry.
Try the fries. Try the fries, Chris.
Go ahead, you guys talk about, what do you think?
For me, it's the Popeyes fries because of the dusting of seasoning put on them. Those fries, yeah. And probably the Chick-fil-A waffle fries. Second, 'cause I love waffle fries.
To me, nothing special about the Raisin Canes.
No,
I have those in my freezer.
and they're not cooked enough.
I think it's a Market Basket brand.
They're not cooked enough. The dip's good though.
Yes.
You can put anything in that dip and it's savory, it's good.
Could do the fries right in the dip, yeah.
KFC's are pretty good too.
Yep.
Not as seasoned as
It's
Popeyes.
these right here, right?
Yeah.
Popeyes. That's the best fry right there.
Popeyes for me.
And I think Chick-fil-A second. I like the waffle fries.
Same here.
All right, so we agree on the fries.
What was your number 2, Chick-fil-A?
For fries?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
we're all
I-
in agreement with that?
I always like waffle fries, but I just wish they would season them.
Yeah, or cook them a little.
Well, sometimes I get a lot of salt on them. It depends. Sometimes
I've never had it with a lot of salt.
Really?
Yeah, I've never had it. I almost think I like KFC second overall.
Chicken
Chick-fil-A,
sandwich?
then KFC. Yeah, I had a nice big piece of chicken.
So you're already saying you're giving your synopsis that you like Chick-fil-A number one.
We're gonna talk about this, and then we're gonna put it all together.
Okay, that's what we're gonna do.
We're gonna empty the plates.
I'm gonna have to go back for a second bite on each one of these.
Yeah. Think about it. Think about it.
Chick-fil-A
Chick-fil-A.
for me. What'd you say?
Guys, we talked about this.
So Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, Chick-fil-A.
But KFC.
That's second for me. What are you talking about?
Chick-fil-A. So in a perfect world, if you could just go and get, or drive around for an hour and a half like I did to go hit the different restaurants, sit in the lines, we agreed that Chick-fil-A sandwich with Popeyes fries was the best combination.
Yeah.
All the other fries,
Well, and the sauce from
there wasn't any.
probably
We
Chick-fil-A.
didn't get the sauce from Chick-fil-A is my favorite too.
Oh.
Yes, my favorite. That's why I bought a jug of it today.
All right. So the Raising Cane sauce, as much as I hate paying 50 cents for a thing of sauce,
We're never
Very
gonna
good.
hit into that, by the
Very
way.
good
Ever,
sauce.
ever.
it's a good sauce.
Worth the 50 cents.
It's like savory. It's got a different flavor.
Not overpowering.
Chick-fil-A is more sweet. But yeah, I mean, let us know what you guys think, because I know this is going to be a heated discussion
Yes.
down in the comments.
Yeah.
But that's what it comes down to. As long as you're not there on a Sunday,
I will-
Chick-fil-A.
I will say I'm surprised because, like I said, I've been many times. My kids love it. And I go there and I'm hesitant to order a chicken sandwich, and I order it, and unfortunately, I've been so disappointed. Till this one. This one's fantastic. Maybe I should just have a quarter of every sandwich.
A third.
Yeah, a third.
Yeah, that's all you have to do from now on, Chris, is buy 4 every time you go out.
Yeah,
4
very
different
good.
stops.
That was very good.
They were all pretty good though.
Yes, they were all good.
The only thing disappointing really is the fries. Like Raising Cane's fries, they really.
Yeah.
I will say about Chick-fil-A, their drive-through,
Yeah.
they know what they're doing.
Raising Cane's too.
Oh, are they the same way?
Very efficient, multiple lanes.
They got
They
the
get-
multiple
yeah.
lanes,
Oh,
yeah.
I haven't been over to the new one yet.
Yeah.
I'm impressed with Chick-fil-A on how they get you through.
So Chick-fil-A for the win, Popeyes for second. Everybody likes Raising Cane's.
No. Kentucky Fried Chicken.
KFC for second.
Second for me.
Popeyes third.
No.
Cane's is third.
Cane's is third.
I don't like-
Like Dave said, it's got the chicken fingers. It's
Right.
really good.
So, yeah, you get crunchy chicken tenders all the way around. So
I think Jeff's gonna hit Popeyes on the way home.
I think I'm good. We're good. All right. We appreciate it. If you made it this long, thanks for hanging around.
Let us know what you think. Well, let us know what your favorite is, because everybody eats these places. We
chicken
know
sandwich wars rage forever. So
that. Yeah.
Let us know what you think. That's what it comes down to. What's your favorite? And we read all the comments. It's been a crazy summer. you know,
Absolutely.
but we appreciate you guys. We love you, and cheers.
Two things. Next week, next video, that surprise grill that we're going to show you about.
Is it a surprise anymore?
It's a surprise. And number two, Big Dave, Little Dave, thank you for joining us tonight.
Nate, too.
It's got his name on there. It's Dave. It's not Nate. That's definitely David's brother.
People often confuse Nate and I as twins, so
Yes.
I put my name on the glass just so you guys will know.
Nate's younger twin brother.
A younger twin, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. The better looking twin.
There you go. Cheers, guys. Thanks for joining us. Have a good one. See you in the next video.